Hi, we're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at the Z448 zero-turn mower. This mower does come with a 48-inch 10-gauge fabricated cutting deck. There is a removable floor panel for access to your cutting deck and spindles. This mower does have a high back seat with armrest. We have our fuel gauge, cup holder, and storage space. This mower does come with a rollover protection system, as well as two heavy-duty 22-inch rear tires, 13-inch front tires, this mower does have a 22 horsepower Kawasaki FS651V engine, as well as the Parker HTE transmissions. We have our controls with your ignition, throttle, and fuel gauge. This mower has a 6-gallon fuel tank. There is a plastic chute, as well as a magnetic tapered pin cutting height adjustment with cutting heights between 1.5 and 4.5. This mower has a 13-position deck height adjustment. Once again, this is the Husqvarna Z448 zero-turn mower. If you are interested in this mower or any other mower we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.